Hello, did you Instapot? Today, I'm a corn creamy chowder, vegan and gluten-free, in the new Instapot. I've never seen one of these before. I've never used one. This is gonna be
real deal, figuring out on the fly and see how easy it is.
Okay. So I'm opening the lid. It is plugged in. I'm going to press yes. And okay, so now I think we would wait for it to heat up. Oh, wait, you can decide how high. Yeah, high's probably good.
Is it getting warm already?
Not yet. That's just I feel some heat.
Yeah, it feels heated. Yeah, what's going in the Instapot? Or the chowder?
I
What we're
am
gonna do in
glad
the Instapot.
you asked. So what we got here, we got garlic, onion, carrot, red bell pepper, as well as the canned roasted red pepper. We got Yukon Gold, potatoes, canned corn. We got sweet corn cream style, organic coconut milk, lentils, I believe of the green variety, nutritional yeast, about 2 tablespoons. We also have paprika, Italian spices, and cumin, about a teaspoon each, I believe. So, vegetable broth and bouillon cube. But let's do it. I hear it. I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready.
It's warm in there.
It's trying to set off the fire alarm today. And the plan is that I'm going to saute this for as long as I feel like, I guess, and then we're going to add the other stuff to there. I'm going to put on my glasses. Some very sensitive onions.
Yeah, you gotta protect your eyes.
Yeah, it's my Cancer moon. Makes me cry.
Right away, because they take a while to cook. Does that matter in a pressure cooker?
And a lot. Yeah, vinegar.
Really, you have to get the potatoes going. This
I've
is our first time.
never done this. Ever. Okay, I think she's ready. Bell pepper. Carrots. Spuds.
Put it in there, yeah. Toss it in.
Alright. Cream corn.
Cream corn.
Broth.
Yeah, broth.
Chill broth. Spices.
That's
Nutritional yeast.
more broth.
More broth. Store-bought broth. Well, it's all store-bought. Who are we kidding? Pretty good.
I would eat that right now. Do we even have to cook it?
Nope. That's the joy of the Instapot. All right. Now, oh. So now,
this is the fryer lid, hot fryer lid, right? This one actually is the pressure lid. First you gotta put it on, I think. There's a little lock. There's a little lock thing. You line up that lock thing and then you turn it to lock it. There we go. And then we pressure cook.
pressure high,
Yeah.
time, 8 minutes, start. Okay, now it's gonna get pressurized for a while.
It's got a pressure.
Just in time for someone to clean up.
Happy. Where are we at?
We got 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14 seconds on the clock. 1.
Here goes. It is done. Opening the valve.
Ready? Woo! It dropped.
It dropped, so it's unlocked. That means we can open it.
Ready?
I'm ready if you're ready.
Lid. Steamy.
Maybe we could put that in the sink. I'll just put it face down and then they can drip down there. I'll taste it. Whoa!
Dang.
What?
Let me try. That's good. All right. Okay.
Should we dish it up?
Kill.
Okay.
Chowder.
Thank you. For you. Spoons are ready for you. We could probably turn the radio back on because this part we can just mute. Cheers.
Fade to black. Nice.